Oh, hello guys, this is Excalibur. So, this is my first video. I use Mobizen for recording. And today, we're doing a server review called Zirconcraft, the network. Sorry, the minigames isn't on or in PvP. The on only is creative, but in the IP is mcpe.zircon.at. Okay, I'm gonna show you. Okay, first we're gonna see some players here. Meet someone. Maybe decide. Oh god. Let's drag the rainbow. Wait, is that Casting Pro? What the? Wait, is that Wade? Sorry, I just pressed it. Because today, this is gonna be cool. Okay. This is gonna be cool. Let me click on. Okay, this is the IP. mcpe.zircon.at. Here it is. Here it is. The Zircon. The one who I touch. Yeah, here it is. mcpe.zircon.at 19132. Okay. That's it. Oh, so please subscribe. Please subscribe and like our video. Sorry, this is my first video. Okay. Bye. Please subscribe.